The Paradise Lagoon Resort and Houseboat is set on a ridge of land overlooking both Arabian Sea and the River Swarna, and recommended for guests looking for exclusive and scenic getaways with a bit of water-based activities. The boat is stationed near the resort and operates usually during the tides. The houseboat has a common living and dining area, 2 bedrooms with a comfortable double bed, bathroom, mini refrigerator, impressive lighting as well as air conditioning. The tall palm trees create a comfortable shade on the boat, making the whole cruise an enjoyable experience. There are certain limitations like operating during tides or having a larger stretch to cover than Kerala. Well, generally, people expect privacy when they opt for a houseboat. In Kerala, in the backwater stretch, there are too many boats. As of now, not too many houseboats operate here in Udupi. How do you like this?
I'm loving it. I want to live in this.
Just like ಇದು kayaking ಮಾತ್ರ. ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ஐயோ அரை சொல்றானே. டேய் நீ எதா இருந்தாலும் சைக்கிள சொல்றா, நான் கேட்டுக்கிறேன்.
மூஞ்சி அந்த பக்கம் தான், எப்படி சைக்கிள சொல்றது?
கைய முன்னால காட்டி சொல்லு.
அப்படியா?
ஆமா.
இப்போ நீ என்ன பண்ற? நேரா இப்படி போய் இப்படி திரும்பினா அப்படி திரும்பி இந்த சந்து அது ரோட்
Much later.
So ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಗಿಯರ್ ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ಐಡ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಟಂಕ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ.
We are not tourists, we are
travelers.
No.
Also found out there are leisure boats that offer 20-minute ride and provides food, music and dance on board like tourist experience in Goa. Apart from Paradise Lagoon, some of the other famous houseboats here in Udupi are Tirumala and Pancha, something that I couldn't pronounce. Since the boat is stationed near the resort most of the time, if you book the boathouse or reserve any of the rooms in Paradise Lagoon Resort, you get access to various other amenities. Well, most of them are inclusive in the package. However, the others come at an extra charge. You get access to infinity pool, spa, a variety of outdoor games, kids playground, gym, many indoor games, speedboat, paddle boat, fishing deck, SUP and kayaking and many more. You do have the privilege of complimentary breakfast. However, the breakfast variety seemed too monotonous and I felt the chef struggled a little bit to provide variety. However, the food tasted fine and you can enjoy all your meals with a wonderful river view. You can also choose from 4 types of room that they offer. Food is good but slightly overpriced. All seafood seemed a bit on a higher side. While we understand it's a resort, but to be charged exorbitantly high and that too in a coastal area, this part was a bit put off. The living and dining area, rooms and bathrooms were very basic. The houseboat was decent. Overall ambience was neither antique nor fancy. I'm sure the Kerala houseboat experience would be much better than this, but that experience comes with a bigger price tag. So if you're looking for just an experience, then this unique stay in Karnataka, Paradise Lagoon is must on your list. surrounded by lush green trees and a never-ending blue sky, you will surely enjoy this experience. Over the past few years, many houseboats and leisure boats have emerged. Make sure you compare the cost and reviews among these and choose what suits you the best. If you liked our video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay notified.